even going to the people, right?
Yeah, this is a big example. Going to the people, even in cities. I mean, when the rape case took place in Jinnah Hospital, it was a rape case, so the girls, the nurses were being harassed. And we went to the Jinnah Hospital, there was street theatre right there. And so all the nurses of Jinnah Hospital all stood together.
Fariha, you're a journalist and you're from the apathetic generation. You're not, but so.
And what makes you different?
Yeah, what makes you different, and how do your friends feel about issues, about social justice causes, about protest, activism?
See, okay, there are two things. One, like Veena mentioned, that people are apathetic now, so they don't, they're apolitical, they don't want to align themselves, etc. Street presence की बात हो रही है. For me, like अभी Arts Council में सियालकोट जो lynching हुई थी, we all gathered there, right? And then we moved on to the press club, and वहाँ पे खड़े हुए. Now you need to, in this day and age, you need to see what works, because you have an objective in every movement and what you want to achieve. So is that large protest achieving? We're talking about sustained protest these days. So can we, is that sustained protest, keeping that protest sustained through street presence and things? I don't think that's really happened. Now, apolitical क्योंकि लोग हो गए हैं, you need to convert people back to activism and issues and everything. And that has to happen through dialogue. And that is happening through dialogue, online, and in the press and whatever, because if you see सियालकोट के बारे में हुआ, फेसबुक के बारे में हुआ, ब्लास्फेमी के बारे में हो रहा है, there are discussions online. So एक जो आपने बात कर रहे थे ना कि you've done tremendous work, and there's so much of it, but बहुत कम document हुआ है वो काम. Online वो आपका automatically सारी चीज document हो रही है. किसने क्या, it's news and views poll. किसने क्या कहा, क्या reaction था, आप इस बंदे के साथ engage हुए कि नहीं, I think this is right, and this person should not be lynched for whatever reason, and you're able to convert. So I think this addresses the long-term goal of activism and movement, कि एक जो आप psyche change कर पाएंगे, आप लोगों से interact कर सकते हैं, वो बदल सकते हैं कि how they're thinking. And at this moment, I think कि street presence, online presence, you need to target the right